Today I am on the quest of viewing the Helix Nebula. I have been star hopping all the way with electronic assistance from here. So currently we are here at this 10.05 magnitude star. From here I'll be hopping to this one by increasing the declination from the current value of minus 21 degrees 6 minutes to minus 20 degrees 50 minutes. Let's see. Okay. So let's increase the declination. The view is inverted. Another 6-7 clicks and we should have the star in the view. Yeah, there it comes. Okay, so here we go. We have the star in the view, and here I think these are related to the ring nebula, one of these. Okay. Yes, these are the two which are in the view currently. Okay, from here let's see if we can make out this nebulosity. Okay, so we are near the edge of the ring nebula. Let's see if we can make out something. Edge is inverted, so we should be able to see the nebulosity around here. Yes, we are coming this way. From the star left, the image is inverted upside down. Let's see if anything becomes visible. Let's go to the trigger mode and give a slightly longer exposure. Capture a single frame. No, nothing. Let's turn on the binning. We have the digital binning option here. This is digital binning. Let's pick 2 by 2. Okay, additive 2 by 2. The video mode. Again, nothing. Seems as if this object is beyond the capability of this camera. It's just an entry level camera that I've been using. And second limitation is the field of view is quite narrow. So we're barely able to fit in a tiny fraction of it. All that we can see. Another star here. Which one is this? Let's see if it's been shown in Stellarium. Probably this one. No, this one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, this is the one that we're looking at. Stars are concentrated light sources, so they will appear readily. But as far as the faint nebulosity is concerned, its surface brightness is quite less, so the large aperture also doesn't help much there. So we are having these stars with us. One is this one at the top there. These are the two. The other one is here. Okay, so let's try to look at this Fento one. Image is inverted. So the Fento one would look below these. Yes, it's there. And somewhere here we have the nebulosity. Okay. get into the ring, getting two more stars. Now, what's this? Here's something could be there, not discernible. Okay, I think I should have installed a reducer. I'll install a reducer and then get back to it. I'll pause the recording here, install the reducer, refocus, and then get back. For focusing, I have to be in the video mode. That's it. Let's pause the video. Okay, so I'm back after installing focal reducer of 0.5. This is the GS 0.5 focal reducer, so we can now have a much wider field of view, double both ways. Now we can see starting from this star, going this way, turning left. We can see these two stars. Let's see which one these are actually. Coming here, the images again repeat, inverted. So we're going this way. These two stars in between, we have this strong nebulosity, but this camera is not able to capture that. Use the trigger mode, capture a single exposure. 1.5 seconds. No, nothing's revealed. Maybe image tagging can do something, but as such, it's not within the power of this camera. Okay, so these are the three stars we can easily relate. So these are the three stars. So we are here. This portion is lying inside, like the inner portion of the ring nebula. I wish if it could do some justice to it. Anyhow, so what we'll do is, because we have painstakingly hopped till here, let's do one thing. Bring in more of the nebular region and see what all can be done. So what I do is just move it this way. Okay. Okay. So which way do we need to go? Away from this bright star. So this should move out of the field of the view. We should go in that direction. So where are we right now? So this is the region of interest. Let's put out. Somewhere here we are poised to see something interesting. So let's go to trigger mode and take a single shot. This is visible. I would like to do it with binning because it compromises the resolution. So let's take a single shot. Okay. Oh, cleaner. But we need to increase the exposure. So let's make it 2.5 seconds. Take a single shot again. The stars are leaving some trails. Let's see how many lucky frames we can get. There's a little bit of breeze here and that's causing some shake in the telescope tube. But I think we can capture some good frames. Let's try an even longer exposure. I have had a single 5-second exposure on the ring nebula and it revealed lot many details along with the colors. Okay, take a 15 seconds exposure. I think it's going to get washed. 8.5 is good. Faint stars are appearing. That means, oh, that means that focusing is all good. 3.5 seconds. That sounds like a decent trade-off between lucky framing and let's capture a few frames into options and give it a suitable prefix. So that's going to be NGC 7293 Helix Nebula. Okay. NGC 7293 Helix Nebula. I should write. Yes, okay. And start with the sequence. First frame is good, second is good. If the breeze doesn't bother much, exposure time is I guess 2.5 seconds. Quite decent. When we stack 50 frames and then process the image in Photoshop, maybe something emerges. That's the sense of deep sky photography. You come across all those fancy images and simulations on media and TV. Each of those images is pretty hard to capture. Then let's see if we have any other object of interest here around this space. Already covered the jellyfish cluster today. Okay, M2 I had covered it last year. Beautiful globular cluster. And we have this services cluster that again is the globular one. I captured it last year. The image was affected by some breeze. Now here we're looking towards the outer arm of the Milky Way. Now it's done. 50 frames are done. Let's get back to the video mode. Almost nothing's revealed. Check the results in the morning of this spectacular.